Is it a good idea to use animation, video, special effects in your presentation? The answer is it depends. If you are in the business of making commercials for companies or making animation, by all means, demonstrate you're actually good at what you do. For most business people, most people in government, civic life, I don't recommend that they spend a lot of time creating animation and video for their presentation, special effects, because it's very time consuming. Time is finite. The time you spend figuring out this little special effect fluttering across the screen is time you're not going to spend rehearsing your presentation, making it interesting. So when I look at the cost-benefit analysis, it's typically never worth it, because your audience isn't going to be that impressed by seeing special effects on a screen if you're giving a PowerPoint presentation, because people are used to seeing all kinds of fancy Hollywood special effects on screens. They are going to be impressed if you can actually speak to them in an interesting, compelling, memorable way. So that's why I don't recommend you spend time on animation, video, special effects, or at least not until you're certain you're great at speaking, even if you didn't have any of that stuff.